Welcome this video. Video title is Unlocking, Creating, Inspire, Scrap, Wood Project. Introducing in a world increasingly aware of sustainability, repurpose material have become an art from one of the most versatile material from this purpose. This is scrap wood, whether it's left over from construction, old furniture, or discarded pallet scrap wood, old image protection from creating project with a little imagination and skill. You can transforming those discard price into functional and beautiful image. We explored inspire scrap wood project that will not only reduce lace but also add chaptering to your space. Rustic photo frame transforming weathering picked into photo frame. Cut the wood into the size send it should to smoke the surface and arriving theme into a frame. You can label the wood natural of artistic look or print and display it from the surface vibrant those frame not only showcase your favorite memory but also add a touch of personalization to your decor. Folding shelf minimize story space and enhance the aesthetic to any room with deep flow shaped. Cut the scrap wood into unformed attach theme to a hide spot breaking and moment theme on the wall. Those shapes are professional from display, book, plants, or decoration image add both functional and style to your space. Plants bring gardening indoor with wood planting, use scrap wood as construction, the side and button on the planting line. It's with plant water during this field it with your favorite plants and hard. Those planting not only add a pop of color to your home but also promoting a health indoor enjoyment. Wall art create one of a kind wall art use leftover woods price arrangement the woods into a pot or design of your change dull theme into a blank board and heart. It's on your wall a strength focal point, whether it's geometric pattern design or inspire quota. The possibility are endless with craft, wood art, book and add personalization to your book space with wood book and cut scrap wood into geometric shape animal and or a decoration movements and theme smoke or print or theme that complement your decoration. Those custom book and not only key your book upright but also survey as I sketch arrange in and room. Conclusion. Scrap wood mean seen as wash at first goal, but with a little grating and invoice.